Hi YouTube, it's me again. This is my 7-week pregnancy vlog. I actually recorded my video 3 days ago, but for some reason YouTube rejected it. I was trying to upload it for the past 3 days and I kept getting an error message, so I decided to delete it and re-record. So I'm actually 7 weeks and 3 days pregnant today. The baby is the size of a blueberry, working its way up to a raspberry. Just to clear up any confusion, the way I am doing my vlogs is when I'm exactly 7 weeks, I'm reviewing my 7th week, because when I was 6 weeks in one day, I was actually into my 7th week. Now that I'm 7 weeks, I'm actually into my 8 weeks. So, that's the way I'm doing it. It doesn't really matter. Everybody does it differently, but that's just the way I'm doing it. So this week, things definitely took a turn for the worse. I definitely felt my symptoms drastically change. Right when I turned 6 weeks pregnant, the nausea started majorly. I kind of pretty much feel nauseous all the time, except, I have some good patches here and there, but I feel really nauseous all the time. I've thrown up a couple times, and it's the really, really bad kind of throwing up, to the point where I'm surprised I didn't pop a blood vessel in my eye. It's throwing up so hard, it's like your body's convulsing, and sometimes there's nothing to even come out, and you're just like dry heaving and all this yucky stuff, so that's not fun. Throwing up pure stomach acid is just wonderful on my esophagus and my teeth, I'm sure. Thank you, pregnancy. I'm really appreciating that. What else? Major headaches, and the problem is when I start my morning off nauseous and throwing up, I'm setting myself up for a day that is just I'm gonna have a headache all day. And there's absolutely nothing I can do to get rid of it. My doctor said if I really need to, I can take a Tylenol. I did one day, and it did not do a damn thing, so I'm just not even going to take one, because, I'm trying not to take anything, but it's borderline migraine feeling. It's like on both sides of my head, and it feels like someone's knocking on my head like this, like all day long. And trying to work and do that is very difficult. And it's kind of like a vicious cycle, so I think I get a headache too when I get dehydrated, but then when I drink a lot of water, I get nauseous, so it's like I don't know what to do. What's worse, headache or nausea? Headache or nausea? I don't know. And what even sucks is when I have both. That's fun. What else? I think I've been dehydrated because my lips are just super chapped, and I don't care how much chapstick I put on it. I'm like peeling skin off my lips. It's pretty gross. Which I really don't usually have chapped lips until now. Major heartburn, like acid reflux with everything I eat. It's just like my food sitting right here. What else? Oh, yeah, my boobs still hurt. I'm very, very tired all the time. I sleep like non-stop. When I'm not working. When I'm at work, I literally take my lunch hour and sleep in my car for an hour, because if I don't know how I'll make it through the day. Still majorly bloated. That hasn't changed. And I know this is a little bit TMI, but hey, it's pregnancy. Everything's TMI in pregnancy. I am constipated big time, having a hard time going to the bathroom. I know that's normal during pregnancy, but it sucks. Burping a lot. Got some gas too. Tell anybody. It's so embarrassing, because I'm sitting in my office and I need to fart, and I think no one's gonna come in, and I fart, and then 2 seconds later someone walks into my office, and it's just so embarrassing. So I really hope I get that under control soon, because it's just unbearably embarrassing. I'm breaking out all over my face, and the pimples, they're like the underground pimples that really hurt, that you can't pop them, and they just sit there like a mountain on your face for like a month. So I'm looking forward to that going away, but I know it's my hormones. What else? I think that, cravings. None. No food. The only thing I can eat is just bland foods, and I don't want to sit there and like I'm having a hard time going out to dinner, like, you know, when they give you a big plate of food, like a big salad, and you're sitting there looking, you're eating it, and then like 2 bites in, I just get grossed out, and I'm just like, oh my god, get this away from me, it looks so gross. Like, I love salads. My whole life I've always eaten salads. It's been my big thing. And I cannot eat a salad if my life depended on it right now, because it's like the dressing and the mushiness and all this. Bleh. I can't even talk about while getting nauseous. So right now, my main source of food is I'm trying to get down like grilled chicken sandwiches, because it's like compact. It's a sandwich. You eat it in like a couple bites and then it's gone. You don't have to look at it. You don't have to smell anymore. That's it. Because I don't know, these big plates of food just don't do it for me. Anything too heavy sounds really gross to me. Any like Italian food, I can't do it. To be honest with you, everything sounds kind of gross right now. So, and I'm having a very hard time figuring out what the hell I want to eat right now. If I had it up to me, I wouldn't eat it all. But the problem is when I don't eat, I then get these like gnawing hunger pains, like in the pit of my stomach. And if I don't answer these hunger calls, they turn into nausea. And that's just no fun. So I've been munching on a lot of crackers and, you know, just bland, salty stuff. Yeah, so that's it for symptoms. I think I mentioned last video that I went online and did a buying spree, and I finally got my products in, and I'm really excited about it. The first one I got in, let me see. Oh, so I got these Preggy Pops, and they are all natural, drug-free, doctor recommended for nausea. You pop one in your mouth and you get nauseous, and it helps. Today was my first day using it. I got nauseous, and it worked. I mean, it didn't take it completely away, but it definitely took it a little bit away. And they taste really good too. So I would definitely recommend that. The most exciting thing I got in was my fetal Doppler. So, of course, I got it in last night, and of course the first thing I did is I immediately went and searched for the heartbeat. Now, they say in the directions that you have to be at least 10 weeks. They recommend 12 weeks for you to hear the fetal heartbeat. I am 7 weeks and 3 days, and I don't really care what they say because I'm going to find the freaking heartbeat. So, I put it on my stomach, and within probably 30 seconds, I found the heartbeat, and that sucker is strong, let me tell you. So I actually have a recording of the heartbeat that I'm going to play for you. I'm like so excited because it just, you know, seems that maybe it means the baby's really healthy. I don't know. I'm probably reading into it, but it's pretty cool that I found the heartbeat so quickly. And it's right in the same spot. It doesn't move because I guess it's kind of too small and too early for it to swim around in my amniotic sac right now. But it's very strong. So here's the heartbeat, and hopefully you can hear it. Wait, I don't know where the microphone is. It's all the way up. I hope you can hear that. I really don't know if you can hear it. Anyways, I'm just so excited. I just had to share that with somebody. It was really cool. So the only thing I can tell that I'm going to be pretty obsessive with this, I'm going to be checking like every hour on the hour that the heartbeat's still there. I'm going to try not to get too out of control crazy with it, but it's just so freaking cool. I mean, you can just sit there and you can just listen to your baby, and it actually sounds like a washer machine. It's pretty cool. And if for any of those skeptical people out there who think that maybe I mistook my heartbeat for the baby's heartbeat, absolutely not. I found my heartbeat, and you actually have to be literally right on top of the heartbeat to find it. I was having a harder time finding my heartbeat than I was the baby's heartbeat. So I was up here looking for my heartbeat, and I finally got it, and my heartbeat goes boom, 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 boom. It's way slower, and it's like 2 distinct beats. Boom, boom. And then the baby's heartbeat is obviously not in my heartbeat is not on my pelvic region. So when I found the baby's heartbeat, it sounds like whoosh, 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 and it's like super duper fast. So I haven't figured out all the bells and whistles on this thing, but it records, it plays back, it does all kinds of cool things. This is the transmitter that you put in your stomach, and it's a 3 megahertz one, and they say the 3 megahertz ones are better than the 2 megahertz ones. You know, you're more capable of finding the heartbeat because I guess it's a stronger signal. I don't really know. Whatever. The other thing, my friend at work, she's one of the few people that I did tell at work, got me this beautiful photo frame. It's from dropping things over here. Oh, I have too much stuff in my mouth. Sorry. 1 second. So she got me this beautiful photo frame. Now this is not my sonogram picture. I don't know if you can see. I know there's a glare. I'm sorry. It's actually from Bed Bath & Beyond, and you put your sonogram picture right here, and it's called Love at First Sight, and it's a magnet. I just think it's really cute, and I'm definitely going to, when I get my next sonogram, put it in there, and I'll put it in the baby's nursery. I just think it's a really cute keepsake. Also, what's here? Oh. So the other thing we did this week that was exciting is my dad's a photographer, and we had him do a photo shoot for our pregnancy announcement. Now I saw a whole bunch of ideas online. The big one was taking our shoes, 2 pairs of shoes, and buying a pair of baby shoes and putting them in the middle and then writing the due date. I like that idea. I was going to do that, but I ended up going with, I have the sonogram on my iPad, and I put the iPad up to my stomach and took a picture of me and Ryan kind of looking down at it. It came out really cute. We posted on Facebook, and we're going to send out cards to our family and friends. I'm going to try and show you a picture of it. I don't have video editing software right now. I'm going to get it. Otherwise, I would just like splice it into this video. But since I'm impatient and I want to do it now, I want to show you now, I am going to just try and put it up on the screen, and I'm hoping that you guys will see it. If not, I'm sorry, but you'll get the gist of it. So I know you can't see it too well, but that is what we did. That's the iPad. On the iPad is the ultrasound. The next one, that's just one just holding the iPad. Let me see. And then, oh wait, such a glare, I'm sorry, I know you can't really see it. And this one is just us looking down at it. Anyways, I think you get the gist. I'm sorry, that's not very, you can't really see it very well, but, you know, you get the gist. One day, when I do get video editing software, I will make this look better. I promise. But I'm just pretty anxious to talk about stuff, and I don't want to miss anything because I am pregnant, and all these wonderful symptoms and things are happening to me. I feel like every day I'm changing, and new things are happening. But I can't tell you how hearing the heartbeat it's just so cool, and I can just hear it anytime. So for anybody out there, I would highly recommend you getting a fetal Doppler. It is just the coolest thing in the world. What else? I think that's it for now. I will do my 8-week video soon and update you all. I hope everyone's doing great. Happy New Year, and I will see you next time. Bye.